Math Equations Lesson 7. I can find the value of x by making sure my equations are always balanced. Today you're going to go to Schoology and go to PlayPosit. You have done this before. You're going to watch the video and take notes for the 2 problems that are new ways to solve equations for x. What I'm doing, you're doing in the video, as well as you should be submitting your answers within PlayPosit. Because yes, it's going to count for a score. Then, for the rest of the 8 problems, you're going to solve 2 problems at a time. You'll raise your hand to have an adult check your answer and work. If all 10 problems are correct, you're going to put in the second tray and complete reflex math. When you get the green light, please show an adult and sign the whiteboard. Then you're reading quietly. This is the last day before our Most Museum field trip. I'm expecting on-board behavior. The substitute is going to be extremely honest with me about whether or not you deserve to go. Some of you are literally on the edge of not attending. So make sure you are on board the entire math period and reading after this and French so that you have no points taken away, because this could literally be whether you get to attend or not. Make me proud. I know you can do this. If you need the tools in order to solve the equations, use them. But if you're playing with them, they will be taken away. They are not a toy. They are a math tool. Make me proud. Good luck.